Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to help you learn how to set achievable goals that can truly transform your life. Setting goals is one of the most powerful things you can do to give yourself direction, focus, and motivation. Without goals, we often drift without a clear path, but goal setting is not just about dreaming big. It's about turning those dreams into clear, actionable plans that you can reach step by step. In the next 5 minutes, we will explore why goals sometimes fail, how to set goals the right way, and practical steps to help you stay on track and motivated. By the end, you will walk ready to set your very own achievable goal. Now, let's start by understanding why so many people struggle with their goals or eventually give up on them. One key reason is vague or unrealistic goal setting. For example, you might say, I want to be rich, but what is rich to you? Without specifics, it's hard to know how to take action. Another common mistake is not having a clear plan or deadline. If there's no timeline or smaller steps to measure progress, we are more likely to procrastinate or lose motivation. Sometimes goals don't align with our true values. So even if the goal seems appealing, it doesn't resonate deeply enough to push us through challenges. Psychologically, barriers like fear of failure, procrastination, and distraction also play a big role. We might be scared to try or afraid of not succeeding, so we don't even start. That's why mindset is critical. Believing your goals are possible makes a huge difference. Now let's dive into the heart of the process. How to set goals that are truly achievable. Be specific and clear. The clearer your goal is, the easier it is to take action. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, say I will exercise 30 minutes or 4 times a week. Using the SMART criteria is very helpful. Make sure your goal is specific. That means it should be clear and well defined. It has to be measurable so that you can track progress. It has to be achievable with all realistic given your resources. It has to be relevant, meaningful to you, time bound, which has a deadline. Then break them down. So big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller tasks. For example, writing a book can be broken down into chapters and daily or weekly writing tasks. So this makes the goal manageable and builds momentum. Align with your values. So goals that connect with your core beliefs and passions keep you motivated. Ask yourself why this goal matters. When goals reflect who you are, it fuels your inner drive. Now set deadline and milestones. Deadlines create urgency and help you organize your time. Now setting milestones along the way allows you to celebrate your progress, which boosts your morale and keeps you going. Now visualize your success. Spend a few minutes each day imagining how it will feel to achieve your goal. Now visualization strengthens your motivation and your mind's focus. Tools like vision boards or journaling can help keep your goals top of mind. Plan for obstacles. So you need to anticipate what might get in your way and prepare strategies. Maybe an accountability buddy can support you, or you create a reward system for completing milestones. Being ready to face challenges makes getting off track less likely. Track progress regularly. So keep a journal, or you can use an app or tracker to monitor your progress. Reflect regularly and adjust your plan as necessary. Flexibility is important because life can throw curveballs, but staying connected to your goal remains essential. So remember, achieving your goal is not about giant leaps. It's about consistent small steps. Every bit of progress counts and compounds over time. Commit yourself now to taking that first small step towards your goal. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to write down one specific achievable goal that you will focus on this week. Share your goal with a friend or family member or in the comments where you feel comfortable, because accountability increases your chances of success. If you want personalized support or feel stuck, reach out to me. We will ignite your passion, empower your action, and transform your life. Remember, with the right goals, you don't just change your path, you ignite, empower, and transform your entire life. I am Pallavi Trideep, and I'm here to empower you to take the first step today.